Chewy Pop.
Identify the Indian PM in 5 seconds. Identify the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Fun fact, he was the first Prime Minister of India and loved children a lot. Identify the second Prime Minister of India. Gulzarilal Nanda. Fun fact, he was acting Prime Minister twice. The only person in India to do that. Identify the third Prime Minister of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Fun fact, he gave us the famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Identify the fourth Prime Minister of India. Gulzarilal Nanda. Identify the fifth Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi. Fun fact, she was the first woman Prime Minister of India and served for over 15 years. Identify the sixth Prime Minister of India. Morarji Desai. Fun fact, he became Prime Minister at the age of 81, making him the oldest person to hold the office in India. Identify the seventh Prime Minister of India. Chaudhry Charan Singh. Fun fact, known as the champion of farmers. Find Chili Pop. If you chose B, well done. Identify the 8th Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi. Identify the 9th Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Gandhi. Fun fact, he was the youngest Prime Minister of India, only 40 years old. Identify the 10th Prime Minister of India. Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Fun fact, he was known for his work on social justice and helping underprivileged communities through the Mandal Commission. Identify the 11th Prime Minister of India. Chandrasekhar. Fun fact, his nickname was the Young Turk of Indian politics because he always stood up for what he believed in. Identify the 12th Prime Minister of India. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Fun fact, he could speak 17 languages. Identify the 13th Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Fun fact, he was a great poet and speaker. Identify the 14th Prime Minister of India. H.D. Deve Gowda. Fun fact, he was called the farmer's friend. Identify the 15th Prime Minister of India. I.K. Gujral. Fun fact, he believed a smile could solve problems between countries. Identify the 16th Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Identify the 17th Prime Minister of India. Manmohan Singh. Fun fact, he was the first Sikh Prime Minister of India and was also the Finance Minister who started big changes in India's economy in 1991. Identify the 18th Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi. Fun fact, he became the Prime Minister of India in 2014 and has served 2 full terms. He is currently in his 3rd term as of 2024.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.